Let's quickly make macaroni. In a pot, I will add some vegetable oil. I've already parboiled the macaroni off camera. Once the oil is hot, I will add diced onion and garlic. I will stir fry this for at least 2 minutes or till it is pale and tender. Then I will introduce some thyme. If you don't have thyme, you can add oregano. I will follow it up with some pepper. You can add fresh pepper, but I'm making use of dry chili pepper. I will stir it to make sure it's not burning. Then I will allow it to fry like 2 minutes. Then I will introduce some bay leaf. I will also add in tin tomato or dry tomato. You can as well use fresh tomato for this, but if you're making use of fresh tomato, you have to fry it for a while so that it will dry up a bit before introducing your macaroni. But because I'm making use of dry tomato, I will just fry this for 5 minutes. And I will keep stirring it so that it doesn't burn, because if you leave it unattended, it will start burning. So stir continuously for 5 minutes. Please, if you're watching up to this extent, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Allow it to fry up to 5 minutes. As you can see, the oil has started coming out. Then you can add your seasoning. I'm using all-purpose seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice. I'll be adding some salt to this. Then I will stir again, because at this stage it's almost dry. It will burn easily if you leave it unattended. Add some water, or you can add meat stock to this if you have some, to just loosen it up like stew or gravy, thick gravy. Then introduce your meatball if you're using meatball, but this is totally optional. You don't have to use meatball if you don't have meatball. You can even use sardine or geisha to prepare this, but since I'm using meatball, after adding it, I will cover and cook for at least 5 minutes so that it will soak up the sauce. Then after 5 minutes, I will give it another stir to make sure it's not burning. Test for salt. Once everything is okay, I will add some bell pepper or paprika. You can use any color of your choice. This is just to pop up the color and to add more nutrients to this. I will give it a stir, and I will introduce the macaroni or the spaghetti or the pasta you are making use of. I'm making use of full corn or whole wheat pasta. Then I will give this a stir as I've added it, to make sure that everything is mixed properly, just like so. At this stage, I want to wish you all Happy New Year. Thank you so much, my old subscribers, for sticking up with me throughout last year. I appreciate you so much. And for my new subscribers, you're welcome to my channel. Please like my video, share, subscribe, and comment below. And leave it after stirring it for at least 2 minutes to warm up. And then stir it again to make sure that everything is well incorporated. At this stage, you can test for salt. If you still need more salt or seasoning, you can add more. But for me, everything was perfect. We don't eat too much salt here. So I'll be testing for salt now. And once everything is okay like this, it is as good as ready. You can enjoy this exactly like this. You don't need any other thing to pair it with. But if you have more vegetables, why not pair it with more vegetables? Thank you so much for watching. Bye.